What's up, YouTube world? Part 2. Well, second Caprice. New car to the channel. New car to the channel, guys. Cold start. So yeah, I ended up buying another 2014 Caprice, and I guess on this episode I'm gonna see if we can uncopify it. Oh, here she is. So nice, I had to get it twice, but I got a detective model, not an actual police model. Right. Oh crap. Why this is a detective model is because we got carpet and matching seats. Boom. And boom. Right? My bad. I'm living life still. Carpet, bro. That last one had rubber. That. But you know what's crazy? They took off the door panels and there's speakers behind here. So when you turn on the radio, you can hear it, but it's muffled. So I'm gonna have to cut out a hole or something. But anyways. First thing I want to do to uncopify it, I'm going to black this out. I have some extra black wraps in my pit. We're going to do that first. Second thing, I bought these. I blacked out, I already bought them. I only had the car 2 days. Bought a black one with the amber lighting. And then on the next episode, it was, oh no, and then after that, we're going to cut the mufflers off. Uncopify it. As we all know, can't even hear it. We all know muscle cars not supposed to sound like that. So yeah. Give you all a little test drive. I gotta go pick up my food anyways. Fuck it. Okay. Performance mode. Hold it down like you're supposed to. And bam. How quiet is it though? It's ridiculous, bro. This thing's fast. 6.0. Yeah. You can't even hear nothing. Really reminds me of my grandparents' Cadillac, bro. It's a sedan DeVille, like a 02 or some 04, whatever they had. Yeah, so that'll be part of uncopifying. It's the mufflers and the lights. So that'll be the part 1 to uncopify. Part 2 will probably be like a grill, HOLDEN grill, and oh, the fog lights, yeah, that'll be part 2. So yeah, let's get it. Let's get to it. Oh man, this guy just got scared. He thought I loved up on it. Bro, these cop lights kill me, bro. Let me go get my food, get back to it. That right there. Apparently. I don't know. Okay, it's in there pretty good. So I unscrewed it and it popped off. So I'll just wrap it and just pop it back on like that. Let's go. Alright, back in the office. Now I'm just going to do a quick little outline, cut them out, clean it up, and throw it back on the car. No more police car. Let's do it. I must say, hold on.
That's the only downside to this.
Over here watching Matt Armstrong.
And most.
I must say, this is pretty nice. I'm about to just poke little holes with that, and then yeah, put it back on. Power TV. Let me take this off. So it sits flush. Don't care about the lights getting wet or not. Wipe it down. Okay. Nope. Just a single transformation. Man, oh man. Let me tell you. I don't feel like Detective Jim anymore. Don't feel like Detective Jim. Like, yeah. I'm happy. Alright, so next part. Let's do this one. Bam. Let's do that. Do the oddly satisfying. Side marker, police light delete. I think I'm good so far. And then bam, completely black. Love it. So tomorrow we'll go uncork the mufflers as the unpolicing part 1, which is day 2, and then I'm gonna throw in the cold air intake tomorrow too. So yeah, see you mañana. Day 2. We'll go down to the muffler shop real quick. Tell them to go to the top, cut off the mufflers. Tack. Then, shit, that'll be pretty much it for part 1 of unpolicing or uncopifying the PPV. I already did the blackout last night on the little side markers and both side markers and the LED side markers. So yeah. Let's get to it, man. Go for a ride. homie said he got a sawzall, so I'm about to pull up the J up. Get it cracking. In front of the driveway. Let's go. Okay. So, didn't film at his house because that's where his wife and kids are. But we cut off the mufflers. Man, what the hell going on? Alright, so that's a straight pipe. Here's the mufflers we cut. I'm gonna have to do all the tips on that I ordered. But yeah, I didn't film it like I said because we was at his house. And that's where his wife and kids are, so gotta respect the privacy. Yeah, straight pipe. Sound alright. C5. Part 1 pretty much complete. I'm gonna do a drive-by. Part 1 complete of the unpolicing and copifying the PPV. And with those first 3 steps, I think I'm good. I think I'm good. Tell me what y'all think. Give y'all a drive-by in a second. Alright. Well. Got good news and bad news. Cut off the mufflers. It sounded good, as you can hear. But now, goddamn. I'll just let you walk first. Hurry up. Anyway, so yeah, the muffler sounded good. I put a cold air intake on that I have for my C5 Corvette, but just a filter. And now the motor's knocking. Thank God they give you 30-day warranty or 1,000 miles. So I'm about to go back and just either give me my money back or trade me out, or I don't know. I kind of just want my money back. I did regret buying this, but I don't care. I was gonna sell the Lexus anyways and just replace it with this because it has E85, but I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Let's see. Well, let me go there right now. Let's see. Return the car. No good. Who? What's the issue? The noise. Yeah. It's the motor. I already took off the belt. I went to E-Bands, took off the belt. And he said if you take off the belt and it's still making a noise, then it's the motor. But if it would have been something like the alternator, the idler pulley, the water pump, anything else, the noise would have went away when you take off the belt. Yeah. Yeah. They're gonna say that. I don't care. That has nothing to do with anything. Bumpers are in the trunk. Oh yeah, bad motor.